Now here is a payment of 45,000 naira earned from a logo design that was not made manually. AI did all the work. Now here's another of 15,000 naira that came from writing a blog post in 20 minutes using ChatGPT. No laptop, no Photoshop, no startup capital, no serious gadgets, no extra expenses. This is something that you want to leverage on. Now, this video reveals the exact AI tools that turn a phone into a money-making machine, the services these tools create, and where Nigerians can find real paying clients. In Nigeria today, people are looking for side hustles that don't require huge investments. Many have a smartphone but have no idea on how they can turn that smartphone into a business or that smartphone into a money-making machine. Now, free AI tools are changing the game today, and if you are not keen into it yet, I'm sorry, you are missing out. Those who know how to use them are cashing in already. Every week, individuals are making 30, 500k, 50k, 1 million, all from their phone. It is not magic, it is not juju, it is just working smart, just smart tools and strategic hustling. And here is how it is done. The first tool is Canva. It allows users to design logos, create Instagram codes, graphics, make YouTube thumbnails, and design flyers for small businesses. I have a detailed tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to use Canva to make money. I also have a detailed tutorial on my channel on how you can maneuver through the Canva app. I'll drop the video and the link in the description box and up above here. If you have not watched it, go now and watch it. It's a very simple process. Just open Canva on your phone, search for logo templates. It could be a real estate logo, whatever logo you are looking for. Customize it with the brand's name and colors. Download it as PNG, and that's it. You are done. In less than 10 minutes, you have delivered your service to a client and you have made your money. Now, the earning potential for this is between 5,000 to 20,000 naira per client, depending on the packaging. Offering this about probably 3 logos options can increase the perceived value. I'll give you an example. You meet a client, you approach someone and you tell them, oh, you want to create a logo for them, and you tell them, you know what, pay this amount of money and I would create about 5 samples for you or 3 samples for you at most, and then you get to choose from these samples. They are more likely to use you compared to someone who comes and says, oh, I would make a logo for you. 1 logo is 10,000 naira or 2 logo is 20,000 naira, whereas you are offering 3 options for 10,000 naira. Do you see the catch there? And the sweet thing is, to make these 3 logos, you did not spend anything more than an hour. In fact, for 1 logo, you can spend less than 15 minutes if you know what you're doing, right? And then you're using the free version. You're using the free version and someone just paid you 10,000 naira for making 3 logos. That's it. Simple. Now, next is ChatGPT. I have said it time without number how ChatGPT can make you money, how people are using ChatGPT to make a lot of money on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of these social media platforms. ChatGPT is an AI-powered writing assistant that makes content creation easy. It makes content creation effortless. Yeah, you don't have to go and pay anybody to learn how to do content creation if you know how to use ChatGPT. If you do not know how to use it, please go and learn. Go and pay for the class. Yes, it can be used to write caption, Instagram caption for businesses. It could be general full blog post, for bloggers. It could also just be professional bios or about us page for their website. You can even create ebook content with ChatGPT. Here's an example of a gig that you can tell a potential client. You can say, I'll write 7 Instagram captions for your small business at 6,000 naira. 7 Instagram captions. That means 7 different posts. They are more likely to buy it. They are more likely to pay for this service than someone who comes and say, oh, I'll be generating captions for you once a day or once in how many days, or just 1 post, and you're telling that person for each post they pay 5,000 naira. Whereas you can get 7 captions. They can get 7 captions for just 6,000 naira. If it's you, think like a business owner, which one are you more likely to pay for? Now, the sweet part is that you do not go about racking your brain on the captions. You simply prompt ChatGPT by saying, write me 7 Instagram captions for a business owner. It could be a skincare brand, it could be whatever brand it is, a jewelry brand, hair brand, basically anything. Just make ChatGPT think like a human, right? Give ChatGPT the prompt that would make it possible for you to generate very sweet captions that your clients would be very glad that they paid for. And now imagine if they now make you their caption guy. You know what I mean? I mean, you give them 7 captions and they see how that caption is captivating, is converting, is grabbing people's attention, and they're like, okay, I can actually make this guy my caption guy. And he goes ahead, or he or she, the business owner, basically goes ahead to contract you for a month, for a year, or 6 months. Do you see how that has generated you income? And the sweet part again, you are not the one generating these things. You only basically give ChatGPT the prompt, you copy, you tweak, and you deliver. Simple chicken. Now, beyond Canva and ChatGPT, there are so many other free AI powered tools, yeah. And like I said earlier, if you are not keen into these AI tools in this year, this time and day, I don't know if you are living under the rock. There is quillbot.com. It paraphrases and polishes your article. There is also Grammarly app. It fixes your grammar issues. If you have any grammatical errors, Grammarly does the job for you. Then there's also voicemaker.in. It converts your text into voiceovers, and this is perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. This does the job for you. You can also use Leonardo AI or Ideogram. It generates product images or ads or videos or AI generated AM videos, or even for storytelling. You can use this AI powered tool to do all of that. Now, like I said earlier, AI is the in thing now, right? If you're not keen into it in this time and day to make money, I don't know what you are doing. So with the right tools, the next challenge is finding clients who actually pay. And here's how it's done in Nigeria. You can use WhatsApp hustle, join business groups, post on your status, join business channels. Just look for where your potential clients are, and that is business groups. There are 1,001 business groups that you can join to actually share your flyers. So you can create a short flyer. You can make a short flyer on Canva with the post saying affordable logos for your business, 3 samples in 24 hours, chat me up now. And then in the flyer you can just drop in a few samples of logos that you have made to attract them. Then you follow up with everyone who either views on your status or who reacted to your post in the groups. Trust me, this works a lot. Many business owners today do not even have the time to start creating logos for themselves, and they do not even know how to maneuver their way on the Canva app. So that is where your expertise comes into demand. So if you know that you are ready to key into this, use your WhatsApp. And I know that there are people who would say that they do not like doing WhatsApp marketing and all of that stuff, but trust me, when you are looking for money, you would not be saying you don't like this, you don't like that, unless you do not need the money and you do not like money. That should be what you're saying, okay? Not saying, oh, I don't like marketing, my WhatsApp is for this set of people, I don't like to taint my image. Well, your image, you're Dangote then, so leave WhatsApp. But for people who are ready to hustle, use WhatsApp to hustle, and I promise you, you will make that money that you're looking for. Second place you can go to is Twitter. Twitter cold DMs, highly successful. Now you want to search for Nigerian business accounts and send them a DM. You could say, hi, my name is Favor Chinazo. I create professional logos or IG content using AI. Can I send you 2 free samples? You can send them those 2 free samples, but something to get them hooked. Okay, so send them something very sweet that, oh, they'll be inclined to know more, and then from there, once they reply, you offer a paid service, right? You see, Very simple. And when you're doing all of these things, remember to make your offer very irresistible. And then you don't need to be worried about the price. Just make your offer sweet. And people who are really in need of your service would hire you. The third platform you most likely know is Fiverr. And I am not really a fan of Fiverr, but I know people who use Fiverr and TikTok. You've seen it on YouTube here. They use these things, and this is mostly for long-term clients, right? So they just create a gig, use the keywords like AI logo, business logo, minimalist flyer. Just, they share their Fiverr gigs link either on WhatsApp or TikTok. The fourth place you want to go and look for clients on is TikTok. Yes, you can even tell ChatGPT to create 5 TikTok content to share your services to people, to get customers to come to you. And you'll be surprised how these contents that ChatGPT has created will help you get customers. Now, you see, you're even using ChatGPT for yourself, and then you're also using it to make money. A win-win for everyone. Now, here's a breakdown of how much one can make in a week with this service. So, assuming you get 2 clients, because you make it a point of duty that every day you post it on WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, you reach out to prospective clients, you're always active in WhatsApp groups. So, let's say in a week you get 2 logo clients, and then you charge each of them about 15,000 naira. That's 30,000 naira already. Let's keep that there. Now, 30,000 naira made for the week. Now, secondly, you get another job for Instagram caption creation, right? And then you get just one. That is 6,000 naira. And then you get someone who needs to write a blog. It could be international, right? It could be locally, anywhere. And then you charge around 20,000 naira. So in a week, you have made over 50,000 naira from your phone without a laptop, without any special gadgets. Do you see what is happening here? So just start small. You can start with just one service. You can start with 2 services if you are very smart, and then you can quickly add up different services here and there. You can say you can create ebook for someone and they pay you for creating an ebook. Because you can create an ebook with ChatGPT and Canva. I have a video on how to make an ebook from scratch with your phone, no laptop whatsoever. This is the video. Go and watch it if you have not watched it. All right. So just like that, in a week, you have made over 56,000 naira with your phone. So if you want a full Canva tutorial, a full breakdown on how to use Canva, please go and watch this video. I promise you, you would love it. Okay? I also have other videos on how to use AI to make money now and with your phone. You still want to go and watch that video. I will drop it in the description box. Now, if you found value in this video, please drop a like, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Watch out for my next video, as I'll be dropping another very sweet way on how to make money with your phone. Thank you for watching, guys. It's your girl Pivotina here again. Bye for now.